Hi, I'm Rob, and we're the very first customers of Smart Storage. So before we had the Smart Storage unit installed, there was a little cubby hole underneath there with a little door on it, and we used to throw shoes and hoovers and other things in there underneath the stairs. Very hard to find anything because there was no light, and it was like a chore to try and get under the stairs. When we got the Smart Storage unit installed, to solve that problem immediately, we could get access to all the little things that we had under the stairs and use a dead space that was never used for anything else really. So we moved into our house in 2006 in Wicklow. We had a nice downstairs bathroom, but at the end of the stairs we had a dead bit of space. We looked for a solution for some storage. We came across Smart Storage and we realised that our stairs has that piece that can fit a 3-door unit. So we booked our unit installation over the phone. We gave 3 simple measurements to make sure the unit fitted our stairs. The installer came on the day agreed and he installed it within the day. There's been no issue with the unit for 12 years. So when we had the unit installed 12 years ago, our lifestyle was a little bit different. We had young kids in school. The unit was used for storing school bags, soccer gear, Gaelic gear. Now our lives have changed. 12 years later, our daughter, she's 17 now. We use it for different stuff. I even have the biggest drawer now because I've got the most shoes, which is great. We had our units installed in 2010 and we've had no issues with it for the last 12 years. We're moving house soon and we're looking forward to installing a Smart Storage unit in our new home.